MTD Network have dropped into Kail and Co in Sunderland. Now they've got two fantastic sites. John, talk me through this site though.
Well, we've got quite a large mill machine here, 2.5 metres travel on the X and just under a metre on the Y, which covers quite a lot of large parts what we do for...
So I'm thinking oil and gas, motorsport, aerospace?
Yeah, aerospace, especially fixture work as well.
Right. So I'm going to say that machine is really impressive.
Yeah, we're over the moon with it since we bought it.
I'm a big fan of mills, obviously, because you've got your minks here, Humans over there, but you've also got a large Toshiba for the turning.
Yeah, with a ram, 1.1 metres maximum diameter. That's quite useful as well for fixture work and the oil and gas.
Okay, so
plenty power.
Yeah, so lots of power,
yeah.
Big chunks of material removal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what other industries are you looking at?
Well, defence.
Yeah.
We're into defence now because of the downturn in oil and gas. But now oil and gas has picked up. That's our favourite work, oil and gas, I think.
Yeah.
But now we've got a widespread workload from all different avenues, you know.
But this site really is predominantly looking at your larger parts. So, just to confirm, the X on this
2.5 metres. Yeah.
Okay, and then the Toshiba itself, turning diameter.
1 diameter.
So essentially, your big parts.
Very large parts. That's our maximum.
Okay, excellent. Just a quick oversight for Kail and Co. Thank you very much.
Thanks.